Hello friends, welcome to the Trading Temple channel. Today we're going to analyze the Near Protocol coin. As you can see, Near Protocol has gone up about 3% so far today, and this morning it was up as much as 8%. The market was doing very well, but after the news of Israel's attack on Qatar, the market experienced a slight drop. But for now, everything is okay, and I have some good news for you, so stay until the end of the video. What you can see here, as we discussed in previous weeks, is that Near Protocol is still below this trend line and hasn't been able to break above it. And you can see that it has tested this several times and been rejected. But I think this time it's different, and this time it will really break through and automatically head towards $4, at least in the short term. What's interesting now, according to this current candlestick, is that here it has broken through the 100-day, 50-day, and 200-day moving averages all at once. But now it's gone above it, and let's see where this candlestick closes here. It's better if it doesn't close red, because if it closes red, things might get a bit messy. But as long as it stays green, it doesn't matter where it closes. As long as it closes above this moving average, that's very good. What's even more interesting is that today's volume has really gone up. As we mentioned before, when the price goes up, the volume goes up too. Right here you can see the volume has increased as the price has gone up. And when the price drops, its volume had dropped too. And this has happened again here, and it's happening again right now. And I think in the coming weeks, there will be good news for the Near Protocol, and Near Protocol can break through these areas. And on the other hand, we can see on the MACD that it's clearly turning green now, and bullish momentum is returning to Near Protocol. On its weekly time frame as well, as we mentioned before, it has broken this long-term trend line and has done a nice back test on the RSI, and it's ready to move up. And if we want to check the short term in the 4-hour time frame with the price action that's happened here, the price might come down to this area before going up. We need to see what Bitcoin and the other coins are going to do. And let's move on to the Bitcoin chart. As we discussed, Bitcoin is forming a head and shoulders pattern, and now its right shoulder has also formed, and for now the price has been rejected with a very large candle. As I mentioned last week, Bitcoin needs to break through this area for us to turn bullish on it again. That is, if it moves up, breaks through here, and confirms that this head and shoulders pattern is valid, we can say that Bitcoin will most likely be able to go higher and reach new all-time highs. As long as it's below this level, things are a bit complicated. That's it for Bitcoin. And now for the total market cap of others. The coins with a market cap above 10. As we mentioned, it has broken out of this bull flag and is nicely set up to break this resistance and move up another level. And if it moves up in this area and reaches this side, there's a strong chance that Near Protocol could also reach $8. And on the other hand, the total market cap excluding Bitcoin and Ethereum experienced the same thing. This support held. This trend was broken, and the price is getting close to its all-time highs. And in the altcoin dominance chart, you can see that a very significant resistance was broken. Almost yesterday with a very strong handle, this resistance was broken and it's getting ready to move up. If Ethereum breaks its all-time highs, it could be a catalyst for this dominance to go up as well. If this goes up, the alt season will begin. It's during significant moves like this that a true alt season genuinely starts to emerge, and right now many altcoins are indeed moving at their absolute lowest levels, presenting a unique opportunity. If it manages to go up, there's a strong chance that alt season is on the way. And on the other hand, there's the dominance of Bitcoin, Ethereum, and stablecoins, which you could say in a beautiful way, look here, it's formed a head and shoulders pattern. If I draw it out when this dominance of Bitcoin, Ethereum, and stablecoins drops, it's very good for altcoins, and you could say we're getting close to alt season. As you can see, this is an even more beautiful head and shoulders pattern. If you want to find its next target, you can clearly take it from the top to the bottom, meaning take the head and place it down. When it breaks out and confirms, you could say the next target is here. So it can form a beautiful shape and quickly drop, just like the move it had in this part here. This could happen, and if it does, there's a strong chance that Near Protocol could reach that $8 level I mentioned in the next move. The long-term target I have for this is in this area, and I think it will lose this support and drop down to here. You see, when these kinds of patterns form, that's when we have an alt season. We need to see if this part breaks. I think its momentum will pick up quickly and it could drop rapidly, maybe within the next 2 or 3 months. That was today's video about Near Protocol and the overall crypto market. I'd appreciate it if you like and subscribe, and don't forget that trading is never 100% certain. Everything is based on probability. And remember, I'm not a financial advisor and this is not financial advice. Until the next video, goodbye.